Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian and today I'm back in my element showing apartments. This beautiful apartment is in the city of Medellin, in Poblado, in the beautiful area of San Lucas, which is one of my favorite barrios in Poblado. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So just so everyone knows, a duplex, and I'm filling in Canadians on this one. A duplex in Colombia, and I believe in the United States, is a 2-level apartment. And this is a duplex, as I said, in the beautiful area of San Lucas. But in Canada, duplexes are different. But yeah, just so you know, in the city of Medellin, duplexes are 2-floor apartments. Sometimes they can be the very top floor, and sometimes they could be on the bottom floor. It totally depends. There are buildings here that have multiple duplexes on every single floor. But again, a duplex covers 2 floors. So let's check out the view. Really beautiful view here of the city. Again, a lot of expats now, and especially Colombians, love this area here over in San Lucas. So green. It's up a little higher than areas like places like Astorga or Manila or even Provenza. So it's a little cooler up here at night, but not cold. And as always, I will put all the listing details. This is a 2-bedroom duplex. I will put all the listing details always at the end screen and in the YouTube description. Okay. So they've done a really nice industrial kitchen here. As you can see, stainless steel with a mixture of wood. And then your space for the fridge right there. Lots of cupboard space also, as you can see. And just in the back here, they have another space. This is typically the maid's quarters back here. Okay, but a lot of our expats use this as a pantry. So a really nice space, but it also has its own washroom here, as you can see. Complete with shower. Again, fairly nice space here for a pantry or service quarters. But really nice green views throughout here. And you have right here, just beyond the front entrance, you have your area for your washer and dryer. Okay, and then you've got your social washer right here. All right, let's go upstairs. I love these 2-floor duplex apartments here in Medellin. This one was probably built in the early 2000s. It has a very generous size principal bedroom here. Okay, again with beautiful city and mountain views. But ample space here. And as always, if you guys have any questions, just put your questions in the comment section on this video, and I'll do my best to get back to them. And if you guys are ever interested in any of the properties that we showcase here, one's from sometimes direct with my business partner Camilo, and other times with other associates. This one here is with another associate. This is the principal bathroom. Okay, with a decent sized walk-in closet. Again, feel free to contact us at expatcrib.com/contact. Again, if you're interested in this apartment, let's take another look at the size of this principal bedroom here. It is huge. Okay, and then the second bedroom just off here. Okay, could be an office or a bedroom. There's plenty of closet space there, as you can see. And then just off of this bedroom right here, again, really nice light in this apartment. You have your social bathroom right here. And then you've got your shower. Decent sized shower here too. Okay, so let's take one last look downstairs. Again, the great thing about this area of San Lucas, it's out of all the fray of Provenza and Jerez. This is definitely a family neighborhood here. A lot of expats that come here and end up originally in Provenza and the Parque Jerez area end up over here or out in the countryside where I live, out in Retiro or Llano Grande. But a lot of people that have lived here for years now, a lot of expats, end up coming over towards this area here in San Lucas. Again, I really love this kitchen. Generous size kitchen, open plan. There we go. Really nice size living room here. And by the way, a lot of the clients that contact us are looking for this style of apartment, a duplex apartment. So let's take one last look at the panorama here. And one last view to the apartment. All right, this is Ian from ExpatCrib. Again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section or contact us at expatcrib.com/contact. And as I said, we always put all the info at the end screen. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we'll see you in the next video.